G'day trendsetters. Well, somehow we've got to day 9 and I may or may not have got a little sting yesterday. No, I can neither confirm nor deny. But after the morning ritual yesterday, there was a little thing hanging out my arm and a slightly sore spot, so there you go. But no big deal, it wasn't nasty. I don't know why it came and stung me. I was probably too close. Should have used the zoom like this rather than get up close to them. But anyway, doesn't matter. It was just one bee and me. So I just saw one come in with a load of pollen already there, and it's 5:30 in the morning. There's a load of pollen coming back already, so obviously somebody's getting an early start. Well, I did lift the lid again yesterday, and I get the feeling that they're really starting to populate the empty frames now that, like, you know, that weren't part of the nucleus. So I think there's movement in there. I think it's all looking positive. Did that bee just fall over? Did I just see a bee fall over? Anyway, doesn't matter. So there we are. That's what's going on today. So another week or maybe even 2, and we'll do the grand opening and have the inspection of the frames and see exactly where they're at. We've still got to get our bee suit jacket adjusted yet, which we'll do with a seamstress today, because, well, they don't make bee suits for the larger beekeeper, so, but that's all right. We'll get that done, and it should be all good for a couple of weeks' time.